everybody. So, it is about 8:45 in the morning. And it's very buggy out here, very humid, very buggy. It rained yesterday. It's supposed to rain again today. So, I just was out here and like the mosquitoes were attacking me. There's so many mosquitoes, uh, bees, everything is out here right now. So I have to be protected. But I just wanted to come on because, well, I didn't harvest anything yesterday. Did I No, I didn't do any harvest yesterday. And the day before, I knew there was things that would be needed to be harvested today, especially after the rain. So I'm just gonna harvest a few things before the rains come again, because I don't want things to get too overgrown, and I don't want tomatoes to split and things like that. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys this explosion of everything in this garden. So on this side is where I have a lot of my melons and cucumbers, so cantaloupes and things like that. But just look at this growth over here. This stuff has just exploded over here. I had little walkways. Now I can't even walk through here. There's tons of open flowers. Some tomatoes that are blushing that I want to get. And it's just exploded. Everything has exploded with growth over here. Let's see. There was a watermelon over here. I'm gonna see how it's doing. Well, let me go get my stick. My dog is barking. So he was just out here with me and he was barking to go in, so I took him in. So he is mad because I went back outside without him. So he's in the house barking. Well, he's just gonna have to wait now. So I'm not going back in to get him. All right. We got a little baby watermelon growing. Look at that. But I saw a watermelon over here. Oh, look at that. We got melons. We've got melon. Oh my gosh, here it is. Look at how big that watermelon has gotten. Just the other day, it was the size of a baseball. Well, when these melons do start coming, they come. They come. This is my first time growing melons. I am so excited. This is my first time growing a lot of stuff out here in this garden. So I'm very excited. Very, very excited. Oh, I see the beans over here starting to flower and produce some beans. Some types of beans. I, just been planting a whole bunch of different stuff. Different beans, scarlet runner beans. So I'm excited for the beans and everything else that's growing. Is it okay to eat my tomatoes when there's little spots like that on there? What is that about? Let me know in the comments. I wonder if that bunny is still in here. I had a bunny, a little baby bunny in here eating my yellow wax beans. And so I put some little animal deterrent stuff down. It's not harmful to animals. It just has a smell that they don't like. I didn't see him. I gotta get that cucumber. I did not see him yesterday when I came out to kind of look at stuff. So maybe he's gone. Maybe he is gone. And he would like run over there into that brush. And, you know, we were chasing him around and stuff. Me and the grandbaby. We were chasing him back and forth. So maybe he went bye-bye. Cantaloupes in here. So I just wanted to come in and just show how that little bit of rain from yesterday just exploded my garden. Got lots of cantaloupes. They're not ready yet though. I am waiting. But lots of cantaloupes in here. Look at that. That one's still more cantaloupes growing. I see a bunch of little babies. So, yeah, it's just really nice. Very thankful. Cantaloupes. Okay. I think this might be a watermelon. See, this is the cantaloupe leaf. These are the watermelon leaves. That looked like a sugar baby in there. Look at that. And this looked like a honeydew melon right here. Oh, I saw the bunny. He's still in here. Oh my goodness. Do you see him? Do you see this bunny? He is here. You see him over there moving? Do you see that little guy? Do you see him? Look at him. Right there. And he's getting big. He is eating. He is enjoying. Oh, what am I gonna do? I gotta get this. He is eating my stuff. This bunny is eating my stuff. There he is. Look at him. Look at him. He ran over there and into that bush. So I am going to have to hurry up and get this bush over here burned up. I'm gonna have to get that burned up because he is running back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So he is here. He is eating my stuff. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all because me and my sister worked hard to get this garden to be where it is right now today. Oh, it looks like my tomato has fallen over here. So I'm going to go get some Velcro so I can Velcro some things up. It is very humid out here. I am sweating. It's humid and buggy. So I'm going to go and get the Velcro that I Velcro these tomatoes up with. And do some harvesting, some Velcroing, and some pruning because I see some blight on these tomatoes too. So I'm gonna go take care of that and I'll come back and show you my harvest. All right, bye. Yeah, checking back in with you guys. So I pruned my tomatoes. Just have so much blight, but they all have fruit on them. So of course I don't want to, you know, pull them, and I just keep pruning, and I don't want to use any chemicals on them. So, and I looked it up. It's you can still eat the tomatoes if there's blight. The actual fruit doesn't have blight. It's the leaves. So I just prune them. So I was doing a lot of that. A couple of them were like, you know, kind of leaning because the fruit is getting heavy. So my sister got this Velcro, I think, off of Amazon, and I love it. It's wonderful. You just cut what size you need and, you know, put it around your tomato and the steak or whatever you're using, and it works really nice. So, so I pretty much did that to all the tomatoes. Man, those vine borers, they got the squash, but the squash is still producing. They were looking like dead, you know, like they were gonna die, and they are like going hard. So I don't know. I have some really strong plants and they are just doing their thing. So let me just quickly show you what I harvested. I started feeling like a little nauseous and, you know, dizzy out there because the humidity is so much. You see, I'm glistening right now. It's really humid. It was like drizzling out there, and there's a lot of fruit out there, produce out there that is like almost ready to pick. So I'll probably have to go out there. So I'll probably have to go out there tomorrow. I had to clear some storage off my phone. Okay. I keep having to do this last takeover because the storage, I gotta delete some stuff or move some stuff over to my computer or whatever. So let me just quickly show you my harvest for today. Sorry, the light is behind me. Let me switch this. So we got the bumpy crookneck, this white scallop, patty pans, round zucchini, green dragon, space saver. I think I forgot what these ones are called. And then I've got my first yellow boy tomato, so I'm excited to taste this to see what this tastes like. And I forgot what this tomato is called. I don't know. I'm going to look at my tomatoes and see if I still have the package for this to see what this tomato is. Because it's not as big as a big, you know, I don't know what it is. But anyway, I've got peas, green beans, yellow wax beans, and these purple beans. And then I've got a whole bunch of sun sugar golds, a couple yellow pears, and everything. Ooh. Some yellow pear tomatoes. So tomatoes are rolling on in. Green beans and beans are starting to roll in. And I cannot wait to taste these tomatoes. And I said I wanted patty pans, and I'm getting patty pans, no matter if they are being eaten by these vine borers. It's still producing. Got tons of stuff, and I still, even though I made squash casserole again. Let me show you. I made that last night for dinner, and it is just so good. This time I used turkey pepperoni. Just delicious, just delicious. And I used so many little crookneck squash to make it, and I still got a ton of crookneck squash, and that's not even. So I gotta start canning. So I'm about to get into that process. I have a pressure canner, I have a water bath canner, so I'm going to be getting into that process today. So just wish me luck. I've never canned squash before, or peppers, and I've got a ton of peppers, a ton of different squashes. So yeah, but I'm loving it. I'm thankful, and I hope this encourages you to get out there and get your food, get your groceries, and grow and keep growing. Even if it's hot, even if it's raining, just keep on going. And y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my video. Share, like, subscribe, and come back again. Bye.